Hello friends, this is my Leh and Ladakh tour which we did in August 2021. It is 6:45 and now we have started towards Leh. It is 338 kilometers, about 8 hours, 7 hours 50 minutes. सोनमर्ग की खूबसूरत वादियों में से हम निकल रहे हैं सुबह सुबह। निकलना तो हमें 6 बजे था, लेकिन चाय हमको 6:30 बजे मिलने वाली थी, इसके लिए लेट हुआ। फिर यहाँ पता नहीं किस चीज़ का 500 रुपये का चलन काटा और उसमें हमारा 15 मिनट 20 मिनट वेस्ट कर दिया। फाइनली वी आर हेडिंग टू आवर ड्रीम डेस्टिनेशन लद्दाख। Now we are climbing the Zojila Pass, and here you can see some soldiers. The road is really bad and very bumpy. Every year with the snowfall and rainfall and the landslides, the road gets really damaged and it has to be mended all the time, and military trucks keep on traveling. Heavy trucks also keep on traveling, so the road is really dangerous at places. Because of the landslide, road gets really narrow and it becomes very difficult to drive and overtake the vehicle which is ahead of you. But the weather is always beautiful and the landscapes are extraordinary. Lots of military convoys pass by you, and this was one of the largest military convoy of about 150 vehicles which crossed us. And here a Zojila tunnel is being built, so that distance between Dras and Kargil will be reduced, and it will be of strategic importance for Indian Army as well as people in Ladakh. And then you get really plain and smooth roads, and we must congratulate PRO for maintaining the roads very nicely. And they are better than many places in Maharashtra. And we just bypassed Kargil town, and here we are reaching the Mulbek monastery, which has 30 feet tall Buddha statue. And this was the first monastery in this area. And JCBs and people are always working on the road, clearing the mud, clearing the debris, and keeping the road open for people like us and the army, of course. There are many small villages which you come across, and they are hidden behind the vegetation. Small beautiful houses, wooden and mud built, of very beautifully colored, very bright colors. They keep on peeping from the trees. And of course water, it is brought from distances. Many motorcyclists and many other enthusiasts which are on a road trip like us, our dream destination Ladakh, they pursue. mountains and the various landforms. They are really beautiful, and you reach the hidden village, the village which cannot be seen. And there is a archaeological museum also here. And then you enter the Moonland area because it resembles the landforms on Moon. It is called Moonland. We can see various formations of soil, wind and water. They have worked together and created different shapes and landscapes. The colors of the mountains are really exotic. The soil and the rocks, they have really exotic colors, purple and brown and black and golden, which keep on shining in the sunlight, making the mountain look extraordinary. And this patch of about 8 to 10 kilometers after the Moonland and the Lama Yuru monastery is the extraordinary part of today's trip. The very high mountains and the Wakha river passing by it, and a road is made just beyond the Wakha river. Of course, there are some other tracks also, which are probably used by the Kachchars to carry, or probably they are for emergency use. And you get mesmerized by the landscapes. Each turn you will be coming across a new landscape which mesmerizes you, and you just keep on going, clicking, and your digital storage gets full. And the magic of the mountain in the Lama Yuru Valley continues. And the blue sky and the white clouds casting shadows on the mountain, which are brown and black, creating a different aura, take you to a different world altogether. This is at height of 3000 to 3100 meters, so approximately 11,000 to 12,000 feet. And vegetation is seen only at a few places where when you descend down in the valley, and then when you go higher up, again there is no vegetation. It is a cold desert which is devoid of any vegetation. And the magic still continues. Here again the rocks change their shape, and there are many sand dunes, small sand dunes, which are formed in between, and various landforms also. Typically medical like or club shaped structures, they are formed because the soil and the rock around them is blown away or washed away with water, and then you get these various landforms.
सगळे रेकॉर्डिंग करतात गाडीतले बघितले का सगळ्यांच्या हात असे बाहेर खिडकीतनं.
And this bus was carrying military personnel, and every military personnel was recording the travel, and everyone had their mobile in their hands, and they were peeping out through the windows, recording the lovely landscapes. Here you can see a moraine field, and then Jotens. And now you are in the plains. The road is straight till the horizon and very smooth, and you can really make up the time which you have lost. And then you pass by the Gurudwara Patthar Sahib, where Nanak Ji had meditated. And then you are again in the plains of Ladakh. The road is straight, and you pass through the areas like Magnetic Hill.
Entering into Leh now. It is 6 o'clock, 5:55 to be exact, and 345.7 kilometers. Temperature outside is 25.5. Looks like quite big town.
And here you can see the Indian tricolor whirling in the air proudly, and our military personnel striving for that. And here we are in the lovely Leh town, which is at the base of the strong mountains. So keep traveling, keep enjoying the journey of life.